So let me talk about the dictionary. Dictionary is very useful, and it's also a like a list, but it is basically a collection of key and value pair. So in different languages, like you can say Java, there is a concept of map where you can store your data in a format of key and value pair. Unlike list where it support indexing, where you can access all the elements by using index, here you are going to access all the element by the unique key. So that's why you need to register your elements, your items by using a individual key. So let me have a demonstration on this, and we will let's have a demonstration, and you will know how these things work. All right, friends, so let's have a demo on the dictionary. It's pretty simple, my friend. You can see here we have an address. Okay, so here we are collecting address on the basis of key and value pair. You can say the key here I'm using, let's say the house number, okay, and then the address. So unlike list where you can simply use a comma and then you can access all these items by using indexing, in list it's little bit different, means you are using key to access it. So if I try to print it, you can see this type of output. If I use it, save it, and when I run it, so you will see here you can see, so this is basically a dictionary. Now you can also add new elements by using like this here. Let's say I will add it here, let's say 12. Okay, because I'm using key as an integer, you can use anything, you can use the string. Okay, so here let's say Walmart Street. All right, and when I print it, it will look like this. Okay, when I save it and let me run it here, so you will have this kind of output. All right, you can also convert this dictionary into list simply by using a list function. That is the address, save it, and you can see here like this. You can also sort it by using a sorted function. So sometimes this is very useful if you want to have a sorted dictionary, and when you save it and when you run it, you will see the difference here. See, it is sorted. And you can also collect the key and value pair from this list. You simply need to use a for loop. Let's say for, let's say key and value in my address item. So you need to use this particular methods, that items, and then you can simply print it, or you can use any logic regarding this. I'm just going to print this too. We'll save it and let me run it, so you will see a difference here, I think. See, and you can also index it, means if you want to index it, means if you want to check the index means the position, you can simply use one more function, for loop. Let's say in enumerate method that you need to use, an enumerate function, enumerate my address like this, and when you use this, you will have the index with the key. See, I'm saving it every time. Okay, so here you can see. All right, so very simple, and you just need to use a for loop and it will be helpful. And dictionary is very important, because sometimes you need to save your items, or you can say the bunch of items, by using the key and value pair.